When you record a video using your phone's video camera, you cannot use an external microphone, or even if you use one, the sound is not recorded from there. The default microphone on the phone is being used for sound recording. This problem is mostly seen on Oppo and Realme phones. Let's see how to solve this problem. First of all, go to Settings option. Scroll down here. Click on Sound and Vibration option. Now scroll down here once again. Click on Default Audio Recorder. Now select number 2, Add-on. Now your problem will be solved. If you record something on your phone using external microphone, it will work finely. In this way, you can fix your problem. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with us.